Human frequency dictated by the distance from the ionosphere to the surface of the planet and the speed of light.
Ascending branches of the Hadley and Ferrel cells, there is little associated weather. Polar front jet forms in a different way. This jet sits between the rising branches of the polar and Ferrel cells. It marks the boundary between cold polar air and warm tropical air, known as the polar front. Polar front jet occurs at a height of 11 to 13 kilometers and is primarily the result of temperature contrast across the polar front. The stronger the temperature contrast across the front, the stronger the jet. So it follows that the polar front jet is stronger in the winter than the summer. Waves or ripples along.
Wrong direction for the Coriolis effect, because that's what she's going over here. On the globe, we shouldn't see this. There's your ionosphere. There's your second layer. There is your jet stream, folks. It's being compressed. That's why your Schumann frequency is spiking. Because your atmosphere is being compressed. This jet stream, notice this is the Earth's rotation. That's counterclockwise. It's on the surface. The same rotations in the jet stream are on your surface because there's no buffer layers like she's talking about anymore. This is not caused by CERN. You cannot put pressure on the atmosphere like this with something inside the sphere. It has to come from without.
The Coriolis effect causes this wind to be deflected to the right, leading to the prevailing westerly.
There is no more deflection.
The southwesterly winds often experienced over the UK. This setup is not unique.
This isn't something I just picked up yesterday. We have been documenting the slow progressiveness of this for years and years and years and years and years. There's an awful lot of documentation done on this subject over the years and years. Right here on BitChute. If you haven't made it over here to the Angry Catfish on BitChute, then you're missing out. That's all I got for you. Not everything's over here. However, for the last almost 2 years, we've been monitoring this situation the entire goddamn time. I don't have anything for you but documented proof of the things I say. It's not just off the seat stupid shit that I pulled out of my fucking ass, like BP Earthwatch blaming CERN for what's going on. CERN has been shut down for 3 years. The entire time we've been monitoring this. Unprecedented record-setting tundra fires. Fires. Your globe is on fire. Your elites didn't do this. They don't want you to know the extent of it. That's why they're distracting you with everything you're looking at. The globe is on fire and your grain died. Yes, they're burning plants of food manufacturing facilities to make it look like they're trying to starve you out. Guess what? There is no food.
I don't know if I'm recording or taking pictures of this thing. I want you to take note of the corn. Like, dude, that looks more like wheat. And yeah, that's still passing. But I mean, all the fields around here are looking all like that. And most of them are like dead ass brown. There's comes another one. That doesn't look like corn. It looks like wheat.
Miles and miles and miles and miles.
Look at that. I told you no harvest this year. There's some sunflowers. Those are all dead. Although the wild ones are going. Watching up ahead.
Miles and miles and miles.
Eat the field. And they go fatten up lot. Well, I ain't never seen no corn like that before. Look. You got a field of sunflowers out there. Look. Damn near the same as the corn.
I reposted this one over a year ago.
They ain't got no damn.
It was over a year ago. I actually took that footage 2 years ago. That was on my original channel. Here's the funny thing. Those very same fields, it's not really funny, they're still sitting there with that same corn in them. No one even towed that corn. It died. It died before it produced ears. It's still sitting there for miles and miles, untowed, unplanted. It's sitting there dead in the field. There is no grain to feed your cows and your chickens. They had to humanitarianly kill the chickens off. Remember? Or did you forget already? Because they blamed a Russian hacker for the grain. Dude, that was 2 years ago. You forgot that already? Maybe it's because you watch too much damn Graham Hancock. Jingly Cobra.
We found him before.
Angry Red Brother. Horace's fucking box.
There's your Jingly fucking Cobra. There's your solar food. This guy has planets and shit around him. He was not a god. Just like Ra is not a god. That's fucking Ra. Here's the big difference between Ra here.
Do you see the Blue King with the staff in front of the boat with people in it? Just like Giza. Just like fucking Giza. This is a boat.
Giza. It's drawn to.
Look at the king. This is just like Giza, people. Just like Giza. Graham, did you miss that?
Look at that. Look at this. All this reverse charge. And that is nuts. Look at the heat there as well. Why would the solar winds be blasting that way? They shouldn't be. Unless you've got something coming up behind.
Yeah.
Blowing.
With planets in between.
Charge in that direction. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. The heat. Look at that.
Look, folks, we've been monitoring this for years, and it's starting to get crazy. And they're literally pulling out CERN to blame for this. It ain't CERN causing this shit. You live in a 3-sun system. There's a red one and a blue one. I have detailed this. Get to my BitChute and look at it. Or don't. I don't care. I'm not debating any moon anything at this point. Popular mechanics and every space agency on the planet says our axis is tilted. Therefore, the moon is not doing what it used to do. End of discussion. Put a ball on a table with a flashlight and make it do what it's doing at night. You might not like the answer, but that's the way the fuck it is. Grow up. Preschoolers. There's plenty of fucking videos over here for you kids to learn about the moon.